Hello, potato. Good evening. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I
Ah,
hear you.
Okay. How are you today? Hello, Putin.
Great.
Good evening, Putin.
Howdy.
Hi. How are you today, potato? How are you? You're great?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good to hear. All right. Since today is Tuesday, then we are going to have our class this evening. Are you now ready, potato? Okay, with me, let me share the screen so we can start with our class this evening. Oh, there you go. Potato, can you see teacher's screen?
Yeah.
Okay, what unit are we now? Okay, unit number
Yeah.
20.
Two.
Yeah, what is unit 20 all about? It's about where. Okay, very good. It's where. Now here, potato, let's have this one. What's the first word we have?
Yeah.
Shop. Okay, very good. Pronounced properly. Next, second word, potato, we have
Supermarket.
good. Supermarket. And the third word is what's this?
Left.
Lift. Again, it's
Left.
lift. Now here, we have here three words in the vocabulary: shop, supermarket, and lift. Do you understand these words?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, very good, potato. Now here, another word we have here is, what's this?
Ah.
Car park. Okay, this one.
C.
C, correct. And the third word we have here is, what's
Oh.
the third word? It's river. Okay, very good. You know these three words? You know the
Three.
three words? Yeah, you know? Okay, that's good. Yes, Putin also said yes. So Putin know the word too. Okay, what's this?
Cinema.
Cinema. Very good. This one. Potato. Hello? Hello? Inaiba. Potato. Hmm.
Delicious. teacher.
Hello again. Okay, you're okay now?
Yeah.
Okay, now here let's have, what's the second word again? Potato. Word number 2 we have here is, what's word 2? It's mountain. Again, it's
But mountain.
okay, very good. Next, the third word we have here is lake. Okay, great. So we have cinema, mountain, and lake. Next, potato. How about the next one? First word we have here is potato. Please read. What's the first word we have here? We have
Funfair.
fun fair. Okay, do you know what's a fun fair? Do you know what's this?
Funfair.
Yeah. Do you understand what is fun fair?
No.
Yes? No. Oh, a fun fair is a place where children like you can play a lot of games. Oh, you can even ride on different rides like the Ferris wheel. Can you see the Ferris wheel? It's a fun place for people. If you want to ride in those rides, you can go to the fun fair and have fun. Okay? Next, what's the second word we have? What's the second word we have?
Afraid.
Afraid. Look at the girl. What is the girl afraid of?
No.
Okay, the girl is afraid of. Look at the head of the girl. A spider. Okay, potato. Are you also afraid of spiders? Are you afraid of spiders? Afraid? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, potato is also afraid of spiders. Next, the third word, potato. What's the third word we have? Rug. Again, rug. Okay, good job. Now here, potato. This one. What is this? Look at the girl and the boy. They are thirsty. Oh, when you are thirsty, you will drink. Okay, look at the boy and the girl, potato. What are they drinking?
He's drinking. Uh,
What's that? They're drinking a what?
water.
Oh, very good. They're drinking water. And next, the second word. What's that? What's the second word, potato? We have here is the
Okay.
frightened. Okay, you know what is frightened?
No.
Frightened means scared. Oh, if you are scared of something, it means you are also frightened, so scared. Oh, this one. Potato. What's the third word we have here is silly. Correct. Okay, here we go, potato. We are going to name what are these pictures. So I have a lot of pictures in the screen and we are going to name what are these. Okay, so potato, before we do this one, let's read first the words inside this oval. What is the first word, potato? What's the first word? What is this? Potato. Potato, what's this? This is a, what's this? A shop. Again, please read. A shop. Next to shop. Next, we have
Papa.
a lift. Next, a farm.
Nancy, a river, a market, playground, a lake, a fun fair.
Okay, now here, you are going to tell or to name this one. Okay, look at letter B. What is letter B? What do you think is this? The picture is about a, what's the picture showing us? It's a, what is that? It's
Oh no.
where you can find clothes. Oh, you can buy clothes there, shoes, anything that you need. What is this potato?
A shop.
A shop. Okay, teacher will write for potato. Okay, next. Potato. How about this picture too? If you want to watch a movie, you can go here. Oh, look at letter C. Picture number 2 letter. Oh, this one. A third picture in number 1. What is that? Again?
Cinema.
A cinema. Okay, teacher will write for potato. All right, next potato. How about letter D? Oh, if you are sick, you have to come here. What is letter D? Okay, what's letter D, potato? If you are sick, if potato is sick, potato needs to come here. What is this? What's this place, potato? This,
Supermarket.
okay, a hospital. Next, okay.
Supermarket.
What's the about letters? Number 2, letter A. What's letter 2? Letter A is
And
a again a mall. Oh, what specific place in the mall?
market.
A market like that? Okay, next. How about letter B? Potato. How about letter B? Ah, what is letter B?
Baby.
Okay.
Baby.
Okay. Tell me if you are already ready. Ready now?
No.
Okay, not yet? Okay, now, potato. Okay.
Supermarket.
Oh, letter A is supermarket. Wait, teacher. Oh, sorry. Teacher will gonna write it again since you changed answer. A supermarket. Okay, next. How about letter B? Potato. Letter B. Letter B is?
A market.
Okay, a market. Next, letter C. What's letter C?
I don't know.
Oh, you can buy stuff here.
don't know.
No answer, letter D, letter C. How about letter D? What's letter D?
And
It's a, what's letter D?
oh,
Ah, letter D is, oh, a car part. Potato, just encircle the answer. A car part. Wait, sorry. A car part. Okay. Oh, no. But the spelling, it's wrong. Okay, next, potato. Number 3, letter A. What is this? Number 3, letter A. It's a, number 3, letter A. It's, okay, what is number 3, letter A? Hunayin na. Number 3, letter A is, what is that? It's a, what is it again?
Wendy. Mẹ ơi, trứng tàu là gì mẹ? Trứng tàu. Trứng tàu là gì? Wendy.
Okay.
Let's start with F.
Oh, what is that? Starts with F.
F.
What is it? You tell me the word. It's a, you have to, first letter is F. What's next to F? What's next to F? F. Next.
R-I-M.
A, R, and M. Very good. The answer is a farm. Okay. Very good, potato. Next, how about letter B? How about letter B? Look at, okay. Come on, you think. Kasi magsuot ka lampin sumagas na yung bibig. Lampin. Okay. How about letter B? Yeah. Okay. What happened? Come on now. You answer letter B. You can swim here. Where can we swim, potato?
Let me.
Okay.
Let me.
You can swim here, and there are also fishes here and dogs. It's a uh, it is a body of water. The answer is only 4-letter word. Only 4 letters. What word is that?
So,
It's a oh, faster. Again?
then,
A lake. Okay, correct.
no.
What is it?
And then,
Okay, a lake. All right.
no,
How
and then nothing.
you cannot see, but what happened to your camera? Fix your camera first.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Kanjay.
Okay, how about let's do letter C, potato. Let's do letter C. What's letter C?
And then rainbow.
Okay, this is a river. Potato said it's a river. And last picture, potato, with so much or with big waves. What is that? This is a
Nothing.
yes,
A beach.
a beach. Okay, potato has an answer already. A beach. All right. So potato, let's check now your word. If you were able to tell the correct names of these pictures.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready to check your word? Ready or not?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so here, letter B, look at letter B, potato. Letter B, a shop is correct. Letter C, cinema is correct. Letter D, it's a hospital, correct. Number 2, letter A, correct. It's a supermarket. Next, number 2, letter A, it's a market. Very good. Letter C, but you don't have answer. Letter C, the correct answer, number 2, letter C, potato is a shop. Okay, so in this slide, we have 2 answer that's the same. Shop, number 1B and number 2C, shop. And the third word is a car park. Number 3 is a farm. Very good. Next, number 3, letter B is a lake. Number 3, letter C is a river. And number 3, letter D, we call it a sea. Okay, it's a sea. All right, so there you go. Potato, let's move to the next one. All right. Okay, so we okay. All right, so here, potato. Oh, we are not yet done. We still have pictures 4 and 5. Okay, what's number 4?
No.
Picture 4. What's picture 4? Look at the people or children. They are playing sand. It's a beach. Okay, next. How about, okay, how about beach again? Okay. All right, next. How about letter C?
A beach.
It's still a beach. Okay, so many beach. Okay, next. How about number four, letter D? What is that? That is
A fun fair.
a fun fair. All right. Potato now knows what's a fun fair. How about number five, letter A, potato?
No,
5A. It's a,
I don't know.
oh, I don't know. No answer. All right. No answer. How about number five, letter B? What's 5B, potato? It's
A fair.
a stair. Okay. Next. How about number five, letter C? Huh? What is here? Louder. It's a,
Wait me.
okay.
Here is there.
Oh, yeah, it's a stair. I put stair. How about number five, letter C? What's that? You can go up or down, especially if the building is very tall. You have to ride in here so that you will not find tiring in you when you want to go up or down. You have to ride on this. It's it starts with letter L. Come on. I gave you a hint already. It starts with letter L. What do you think is that?
Um,
This is a lift. Okay, correct. And how about this one? Number five, letter D. Where are they? It's it's a
it's
what is that? What is it? It's a it starts with letter M. M, M, M.
aha.
Again? Ah,
Started M O
yeah.
G N T I N.
Okay, a mountain. Oh, wait me. Potato, you enter again to the Zoom class, okay? Because it's about to close. Enter again.